how to fix Instagram blend feature not showing problem. So if you're actually encountering this kind of problem, what we can do is we need to head over first and then solve this. Head over first into your Play Store and then search in here for Instagram. Click onto the search bar and search for Instagram and click on it and make sure to click onto this update button if there's an update available for the actual app. So actually doing this will solve the problem, but if it's not, you can head back to your Instagram, go over right here to your profile, then make sure that you're on the professional dashboard. So you need to switch between personal or creator option. So in order to do this, click onto these three lines. Then from in there, scroll down until you can see the business tools and controls. You can also see the account tools as well. So click onto the switch account type and switch to a personal account or creator. Now we need to enable this into our actual messages. So head back to your home page and click onto this message icon. Now once you have clicked on it, just choose in here which person you want to send the blend into. Now I have in here this conversation with the friend. You can click onto this more options and you can should be able to see the blend option as well. If it's not working, you can head over and then go to your Instagram. Example in here this, click on app info, then click on storage, clear the cache, and also uninstall Instagram and reinstall it. So that's how you fix Instagram blend feature not showing problem. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.